Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty dried cooked mangoes known as Achari za rojo in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredient, you're going to need 1 cup of sugar, 1¼ cup of water. Dried mangoes, I've used approximately 5 mangoes, 1 tablespoon of red food coloring, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, optional if you don't like spicy, a half a teaspoon of cardamon powder, and lastly 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. In a medium large pot, you're going to add 1¼ cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of cardamon powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, optional if you don't like spicy, 1 tablespoon of red food coloring, and lastly some vanilla essence. Then mix everything well and let the syrup to cook till it becomes sticky. Let the syrup to cook on a high heat for approximately 15 to 20 minutes till the syrup becomes sticky. After 20 minutes, you're going to check if the syrup is sticky, and if yes, lastly you're going to add the dried mangoes and mix everything well and let the acharis to cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. When your acharis have thickened like this, then your acharis are ready, and remove them from the fire and serve them in a bowl. And my tasty acharis are ready, as you can see in the video. Like, these acharis are so tasty, and enjoy your achari za rojo. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.